Assalamu alaikum and welcome to mathematics class for standard 6th PT1 activity video. Students, in this video what you are going to learn? You will be learning that how you are going to represent your PT1 activity. Students, for this you have to take one double middle page of your notebook, any of your notebook, and then on the very first page you will be writing your name, class section, roll number, subject is mathematics. This is your PT1 activity for the academic year 2021-2022. Students, then you will be dividing your whole page into two halves in such a way that here you will mention shapes and here you will mention the numbers of lines of symmetry. As you are going to divide it into two halves, one by one you will be drawing the shape. The first one is done for you. I have actually shown you the shape is circle. So when you draw the shape here, you have to mention the name here. Now, in this circle, how many lines of symmetry are there? That means how many times you can divide the circle in how many direction into two equal halves. That is symmetry. Now students, as you can see, this is a circle and from any point you can divide the circle into two equal halves. So what is the line of symmetry for this shape? Infinite or uncountable. Two words meaning same. Infinite, or you may also say uncountable. The next shape is square. You have to draw the square. You have to mention the name of the shape and then how many lines of symmetry. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means 4 times you can divide the shape into two equal halves. So the numbers of lines of symmetry will be 4. The next shape is rectangle. Then 3 types of triangles you have. Scalene triangle, in which all the 3 sides are different. Then on the very next page, as you can see, the impressions will be there on this page, so you are not going to utilize this page. Use this page. Now for here, this is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle have 2 equal sides and one is base which is not equal to the other 2. This type of triangle is called as isosceles triangle. Then equilateral triangle, where all the 3 sides are of equal length. So equilateral triangle. You have to mention the names here. Then kite. You have to mention name here on the right side of the figure. And the last one is rhombus. Okay students, now actually I have drawn the lines of symmetry for you to understand only for the 2 shapes. But for this figure, that is rectangle, you have to draw the lines of symmetry and you have to mention the numbers of lines of symmetry you can draw. Then for scalene triangle, suppose here you cannot draw any line of symmetry. So what you will be writing here? You will be writing no line of symmetry, because here this shape is uneven and that's why you cannot draw any line of symmetry for this shape. Let's talk about the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle can be divided into 2 equal halves by drawing this line of symmetry like this, straight. So you will be writing 1 line of symmetry. In the similar manner for other 3 figures also, you have to think and you have to draw the lines of symmetry. And you have to also mention here that how many lines of symmetry you can draw. I hope students you have understood well. My dear student, these activities are holding some marks. So please students, do it in a very neat and tidy way. My dear students, don't forget to write the name, class section, roll number, subject and academic here on the very first page. All the students, please follow this format uniformly. All the students do this activity work very neatly and very tidily. I hope students you have understood well. My dear students, all the best. You will be having ample of time to do this because during vacation period you will be doing this activity. I hope students there is no more doubts regarding your PT1 activity. We are going to meet soon with another video. Till then, have a nice day ahead. Goodbye.